Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you the exercise 1.6 of class 9th, which is based on the laws of exponents which you have already learned in class 8th. So the first question is to find out the value of 64 to the power 1 upon 2. Now here the fraction is given in here the power is given in fractions, but rule you will apply as you did in class 8th. In the similar manner you will apply the rules. So first of all, to find out the value of this term, we will write 64 in its prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Take whole to the power 1 upon 2. Now total how many times 2 is given? 6 times. So here you will write 2 to the power 6 whole to the power 1 upon 2, and as you are knowing that when the powers to the power is given, we always apply the rule of multiplication, m a to the power m into n. According to that rule, you will write 2 to the power 6 into 1 upon 2. Now by this 2 you will divide the 6, you will get power 3. So 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, or you can write it 8. This is your answer. Now question number 2. This is also on the same pattern, but at the last, in fourth part, here it is given 125 to the power minus का 1 upon 3. Means here the power is given in negative. In other first, second and third part, powers are not given in negatives, so that you can do easily with the same pattern as you did in question number 1. Now in question number 2, fourth part, because this is a little bit different from the pattern, so that is why I am explaining it. Here we will write the prime factorization of 125, 5 into 5 into 5, okay, whole to the power 1 upon 3. So this you can write 5 to the power 3, and by the process of multiplication, by the property of exponent, directly I am going to write it, because now you understand the process. This thing is very much important, that always write the laws of exponent in front of that step where you are applying it. Always do this step of writing the laws of exponent. Now what will happen? This you will divide by this 3 to this 3, and here you will get 5 to the power minus 1. Now we will apply another law of exponent. What is that? If a to the power m is given in negative, what happened? It goes in upon, and then the sign of the exponent can be changed. So the same property we will apply it here. It will become 1 upon 5. Okay? So where the negative sign will be given, you will apply this identity, this law of exponent. Now the question number 3 of the same exercise. Here two numbers are given with different exponents, or you can say different powers, but the base number is same. So here what will happen? we will apply the first law of exponent where base is same, then powers always add to each other. तो इनको आपस में हम प्लस में लिख देंगे and here we will write the law of exponent that a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power n plus n. ठीक? So now we will do the addition of these powers. So the LCM will become 15, 5 to the 10, 3 1 the 3. So the power will become 2 to the power 13 upon 15. Okay? So this will be the answer. In the third part of the same question, here the numbers are given 11 to the power 1 upon 2 upon 11 to the power 1 upon 4. So what you will do in this step? Here the terms are given in division. So the second law of exponent will be applied here, and this you will write 11 to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4, and in this manner you will solve it. LCM will become 4. So this you will write 4 2 minus 1 and